My name's Chad Zerny. I'm the Director of Academic Development with Alcon, and we're here tonight doing a contact lens fitting with a variety of students from SEO tonight. We took some time to learn about the contact lens technology that we offer at Alcon, but then we said, hey, it's one thing to learn about it, but let's also try them on.
This is my second time doing the event here with Alcon, getting to try on lenses and doing the colored contact lenses. This is really important because our patients ask about these lenses all the time.
It's always fun when SEO puts on an event. Got to see some cool new stuff, and I'm excited for the knowledge that I'll be able to fit some of this stuff on my patients one day.
I feel like a lot of future patients have different perspectives of how they see themselves, and I think color contacts would allow them to really be encouraged by themselves with picking an eye color that they think best suits them.
I would recommend any of our students come to this event just because it's good for us to experience things that our patients are going to be experiencing. They're going to be wearing these lenses every day, so it's important that we know exactly what they're going to be experiencing.
There's free food, free drink, so why wouldn't you want to come? Turns out I actually learned a thing or two coming here.
Great opportunity for students to get involved with industry, see what we offer as an industry partner, and have some fun along the way.